So it's been a long time. I remember thinking along the last videos, I said that kind of was taking the summer off, just going to enjoy driving around. Porsche was in kind of maintenance mode, so didn't want to do anything in the garage until I had it out. So I do. It's kind of off in a friend's place for storage right now. But I did pull one of the projects out of the garage that are at the storage that I want to get done this winter. I know I've been bouncing around a bit on a few. For some of you that follow the channel may have seen some other things. I do have a 32 Ford Roadster that has a chassis done. I got to get some metal work done on it, body work on it. It's in storage in my back part of my garage, out of the way. You would have also seen the Lamborghini Diablo kit car body I've got. That was up on the hoist. That's also back in storage for now. I did actually get a Mercedes V12 engine for that project. Got a really good deal on that local. So I picked that up. So that's going to be coming in the next couple of days. I'll do some video on that. I'm going to do some 3D scanning on that so people have some models if you want to use a V12 in something. Anyways, I digress. Let's talk about what we're going to be doing here. So this is my 1957 F100 shop truck I had built a few years ago now. Pretty cool truck. I used it for like proper work truck. You can see the kind of the back. It's a short bed fleet side, or style side, I think they call them. It has a 351M. I did up to a 400M RPM performer intake, Sniper, Holley Sniper EFI, carburetor on it, well, fuel injected carburetor, blah, blah, blah. C6 automatic transmission, the original 9-inch. And so I used to pull my boat with it, I hauled engines with it, I did all the kind of work truck stuff with it, went to the dump, which got a lot of looks when you take that to the dump. But pretty cool truck, but there's some stuff I just didn't really like. It's got a Mustang 2 front suspension on it. It's got the original 9-inch, like I said, so just some upgraded sort of monoleaf kind of springs on it. But I want to change it. So I've got a few things that have been kicking around in the back of the shop there. It's still a bit of a mess. I haven't cleaned it. You can see there's a Coyote engine there. I picked that up. That was going to go in my wagon project that I think I'm going to be selling. So I've got that. I've got a 6-speed that came out of that car. I've got a S550 IRS setup, so independent rear suspension setup out of a Mustang, 2017, I think it is. So yeah, and that's a Gen 1 Coyote out of a 2014. So what I want to do is I'm going to be changing a bit of the front end. Going to go with a wider track in the front to kind of match where the track's going to be in the rear with the S550. I'll be putting in the S550 IRS in it and the Coyote with the 6-speed. I'm going to be pulling out the seats. Kind of had here, I'll show you what it looked like inside at the moment. It's a bit of a mess, but... So those are out of a F-150. Had the integrated seatbelts and stuff, but they're a little bit big. So I'm going to be pulling those out, going with buckets and console. I got some buckets out of a Audi, actually, that are pretty cool. Heated and power and all that jazz. Should feel a little bit better. Changing it to black inside. Outside's going to be probably, I'm looking at a Porsche chalk is what I might be going with on the color. Still not really decided. And I'm going to have the Allsupin Suns on the side, but I'm probably going to do it as a decal and more of a gunmetal decal. So a little bit modernization of it, instead of less of like the classic hot rod look. And then just upgrading overall reliability of it and get it back on the road and use it again. You know, using it as a truck. It's not going to be a show truck. Hopefully to make it nice, but not show. Just nice driver and do what I got to do with it. So anyways, that's been an introduction. The rest of this video is just going to be me tearing it down. I got to pull the engine and transmission out. I got to take all the bodywork off of it. So I'm just going to speed it up and tear it down. You can maybe get some cool watching that happen. And then from there, I'm going to do specific videos of how I'm installing all the components. So that's it for now. Hopefully you enjoy watching me tear it apart. All right, so that's it. The car, or the truck, sorry, is pretty much stripped enough where I can start working on the rear suspension. So you can see I've got the engine and the rear ends all out and all the bits. And then over on this side, I've got the box with all the panels in it, hood, fenders in there. And then I've got a bunch of stuff down below, inner fenders, radiator, core support and stuff I still have to strip apart. And then the truck itself is just got one door off on the one side for now. Just run out a bit of space. I gotta do some cleanup. You can see it's all gutted here. Engine, everything's all out. All the bodywork's off at the front. And I still have to do a massive cleanup of stuff. I've still got tools and bits everywhere. I just literally finished the last little bit. So yeah, time to do some cleanup before I start stripping some more out. Gotta get the engine and stuff out of here. And then I'm gonna get prepped to start doing the the S550 IRS in the rear first, so I can get some wheels and tires back on it, so I can get it moving around on some dollies again. Then I'm gonna start working on mounting the Coyote and the transmission. And then there's some front suspension stuff I also wanna do as well, get that all sorted out. So coming along, took me a few days. Just kind of working on and off here, but yeah, do a massive cleanup. And then I'm gonna start doing some more specific videos on the pieces versus the introduction and the strip down stuff on this video. It's going to be on the rear suspension first, and I'm going to show you how I tackle it. There's a few different ways. One is to weld it completely in, I've seen. And then the other one is I can design some brackets and bolt it on as a bracket sort of setup. Going to do some 3D scanning and stuff, see if I can do it that way as well. So anyways, I'll do some videos. I'll show you which way I go with it on that. But for now, that's her. She's stripped, making progress. See you in the next one.